Karma Guy here. Let me introduce you to the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe Z71, the ultimate sport utility vehicle ready for its new owner. This Tahoe is not only built to impress, but it also comes with a dealer service history for added peace of mind. It's a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning it's backed by a Quality Plus warranty. That's 3 months, 3,000 miles of coverage. Plus, when you purchase, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. But that's not all. You can also ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option at the time of sale, offering even more protection for your investment. We understand that buying a car is a big decision, and that's why we offer a pre-purchase inspection to ensure complete peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the certified pre-owned status and the included warranties and service plans, so don't miss out on these exclusive offers. Remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Let us help you get the quality and peace of mind you deserve with this incredible Tahoe Z71. Come on down and make it yours today.